Okay, I just want to introduce to you first our guest speaker just arrived. Parents, siguro, upo muna tayo lahat. Upo muna tayo lahat. I just want to introduce to you our guest speaker. Okay? He is our Philippine Work Development Officer. Okay, sige. Anyway, mamaya na lang tayo siya magsasalita sa awarding of certificates. Okay? So, we continue with our event. Again, Oling, Rohan Solas, Ken Oliveros, N.A. Santos, Makusan, and Makutan.